puzzle with my daddy.
Right, great. Yeah, we're going to do the outer space puzzle. Do you want to pull out the puzzles?
Yeah.
Okay, let's pour it out. You get okay. Wow. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to flip all the puzzles over so we can see the pictures, okay? All right, flip him. Flip, 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 flip. Wow, I think we have everything flipped.
Yeah.
Great job.
Great job.
Let's spread them out. Spread them out. Spread them out just like that. Spread them out. There's a lot of ways to do puzzles, but what we're going to do is we're going to match the puzzles with the picture. Okay? We have a picture on the box, so let's match it with the picture, okay?
The girl helped me to do this, and then we need to put this here, and then we need to put the new, and then we need to pin it, and then we need to pin this.
Okay, great. So can we find the sun? Okay, is that the sun?
And pen, yes.
Yes, the sun goes right up here.
And pen, where is the sun?
Where is the sun? Where does the sun live?
And pen in California.
In Penn, California. Wow, that is great. Okay, can we find the other part of the sun? Where is it? Oh, I think I see it. Boom.
Boom, ta-da!
Boom. Do you know a rocket goes boom?
Yeah, but...
A rocket goes sonic boom. Do you want to take a rocket to space?
Yeah.
I want to go to space. What?
You can go end the puzzle.
Yes, that's the idea. We're going to make the puzzle and we're going to go into the puzzle and we'll be in space.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, can we hurry up and finish the puzzle? Can we find the...
Quiz.
What do you want to find?
This one.
Oh, wow, that is a piece of rock. And I think that goes at the bottom of the puzzle. Wow! All right, I think I'm getting along here.
Yeah.
Getting far.
Oh, no.
No? What do you think? Where do you think this goes?
I can't see.
You can't see? Okay. I need to find the other part of the astronaut.
I can't.
Can we take a look at the picture and see what he's doing? Oh my God, it looks like he's looking into a telescope. Look, okay. He's kneeling down and looking into a telescope. So we need to find the body of the astronaut.
I don't see it.
Okay, we can find it. Look at that. Are you going to put the last piece of the puzzle? Can you put the last piece in? Look. Wow. You put in the last piece? Hold on. Boom. Wow. Outer space puzzle. Do you want to dive in and go into space?
I'm too big.
No, you're not that big. I'm bigger than you. Okay. Space we go. Do you know what a space shuttle looks like?
It looks like,
That.
it looks like,
And who is that?
that's my friend, Raphael.
Raphael. Is Raphael an astronaut? Wow, Raphael is cool. And who's that?
That's me.
That is you. You're floating in space. And what is that? Is that the moon?
Yeah,
What is this?
that's the sun.
The sun. The sun is hot. Very hot. And look, we have a space rover.
I think that's a robot.
It is a robot. Yes. And it goes all the way in Mars and moves all around in Mars. What is this? Is that another robot? See, it's picking something up. It's picking up a rock.
I think that's a truck.
That does look like a truck with wheels, and it's picking up a piece of rock. Oh my God, is that a shooting star?
Yeah.
Wow, it looks like a meteorite.
I think it's like a shooting baby star.
A shooting baby star. Yeah, that's a big shooting star, and that's a small baby star.
Oh,
Wow.
no, look at that.
That looks like a meteor.
Meteor?
Yeah, a meteor is like a rock that shoots in space and lands on Earth.
Hi, this is my dad, and this is me.
And thanks for joining us. This is the Mermaid Chef. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Don't you like saying subscribe? Okay, say subscribe.
Subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.
That was cute. Mwah.